Welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss 30 exit exam questions of refresher fire prevention and firefighting. If you like our content, then please subscribe to our channel and also press bell icon to receive notification when we upload any sort of video on our channel. Thank you. Question 1. Metal fire is extinguished using option A CO2 extinguisher, option B foam extinguisher, option C water extinguisher, and option D dry powder extinguisher. Answer will be D, dry powder extinguisher. Question 2. Wood, plastic and paper are classified as option A class A fire, option B class B fire, option C class C fire, and option D class D fire. Answer will be A, class A fire. Question 3. How many hours diesel driven fire pump should run? Option A 10 hours, option B 18 hours, option C 20 hours, and option D 24 hours. Answer will be B, 18 hours. Question 4. The lowest temperature at which the vapor of a flammable liquid will ignite and cause self-sustained combustion in the presence of a spark or flame is the option A auto ignition temperature, option B vaporization temperature, option C flash point, option D fire point. Answer will be D, fire point. Question 5. Fire is a process of combustion accompanied by rapid release of heat and dash. Option A light, option B energy, option C destruction, option D none of the above. Answer will be A, light. Question 6. Extinguisher that can be used for class K fires. Option A CO2, option B DCP, option C foam, and option D wet chemical. Answer will be D, wet chemical. Question 7. The components of a fire tetrahedron is oxygen, heat, fuel, and chemical reaction. Option A true, option B false. So answer will be A, true. Question 8. Which extinguishing agent is recommended in the chemical data for use on a carbon disulfide fire? Option A alcohol foam, option B chemical foam, option C dry chemical, and option D water fog. Answer will be C, dry chemical. Question 9. The firefighting water sprinklers covers a distance of option A 16 square meters, option B 5 square meters, option C 10 square meters, and option D 3 square meters. Answer will be A, 16 square meters. Question 10. Fire control plan on board ship is written in language option A English, option B Hindi, option C French, and option D Spanish. Answer will be A, English. Question 11. The lowest temperature at which the vapor formed from a liquid ignites in the presence of ignition source and continue to burn steadily is called as option A flash point, option B upper explosive limit, option C lower explosive limit, option D fire point. Answer will be D, fire point. Question 12. What is the best method for extinguishing fire of escaping liquefied flammable gas? Option A cooling the gas below the ignition point, option B stopping the flow of gas, option C interrupting the chain reaction, option D cutting off the supply of oxygen. Answer will be B, stopping the flow of gas. Question 13. Portable extinguishers should not be more than 13 kg. Option A true, option B false. Answer will be B, false. Question 14. A safety outlet is provided on the CO2 discharge piping to prevent option A overpressurization of the space being flooded, option B rupture of cylinder due to temperature increase, Option C, overpressurization of the CO2 discharge piping. Option D, flooding of a space where personnel are present. Answer will be C, overpressurization of the CO2 discharge piping. Question 15. The color coding of a portable fire extinguisher is option A, signal red, option B, blue, option C, yellow, and option D, black. Answer will be A, signal red. Question 16. What dangerous conditions should be kept in mind after using a 15-pound CO2 extinguisher on a small fire on the engine room floor plates? Option A, possible suffocation from CO2 gas. Option B, forgetting to secure engine room ventilation system. Option C, rekindling of the fire. Option D, CO2 gas being drawn into nearby engine or air compressor intakes. So correct answer will be C, rekindling of the fire. Question 17. Fire tends to start in a switchboard due to short circuit. This is which class fire? Answer will be C, class C fire. Next question. Question 18. Which type of vessel uses DCP firefighting system? Option A, gas carriers. Option B, oil tanker. Option C, bulk carrier. And option D, chemical tanker. Answer will be A, gas carrier. Question 19. In portable fire extinguisher, PASS stands for option A, pass, aim, squeeze and sweep. Option B, pass, aim, shut, sit. Option C, pass at sheer speed. Option D, pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. So answer will be D, pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. Question 20. Firefighter should come back from the area. Option A, after 10 minutes of firefighting. Option B, upon instruction from other firefighter. Option C, upon hearing the warning sound from SCBA. And option D, none of the above. So answer will be C, upon hearing the warning sound from SCBA. Question 21. Which of the following categories CO2 fire extinguisher is useful? Option A, class A and B. Option B, class B and C. Option C, class A and D. And option D, none of the above. Answer will be B, class B and C. Next question. Question 22. In restricted visibility encountered in an accommodation fire, you would option A, carry a torch. Option B, stand up straight to keep your head above the smoke. Option C, use of a fan to blow the smoke and flame. Option D, rig lifelines to assist retreat. Answer will be D, rig lifelines to assist a retreat. Question 23. What is the important characteristics of extinguishing agent in fighting a class C fire? Option A, weight. Option B, temperature. Option C, electrical non-conductivity. And option D, cost. Answer will be C, electrical non-conductivity. Question 24. Foam tends to extinguish fire by option A, chemically absorbing the oxygen. Option B, smothering the burning material. Option C, releasing large amount of CO2. And option D, none of the above. So answer will be B, smothering the burning material. Question 25. There are two disadvantages to CO2 when used as a total flooding firefighting agent. One of them is extinguishing concentrations will not support human life and dash. Option A, the lack of cooling effect on heated materials. Option B, it breaks down under extreme heat to form poisonous gases. Option C, It cannot be used in dead ship situation without electrical power available to CO2 pump. And option D, there is no effect on class A fire even in an enclosed space. Answer will be A, the lack of cooling effect on heated materials. Question 26. Class B bulkhead is classified as B15B0. True or false? Answer will be true. Question 27. What kind of extinguishing remedy should you choose to put out electrical fire? Option A, water. Option B, dry powder. Option C, foam. And option D, combination of water, mist and CO2. Answer will be B, dry powder. Question 28. The main advantage of a positive pressure breathing apparatus is option A, wetting. Option B, near to the entrance to the space. Option C, there is no such standard practice. Option D, under a porthole or window. Answer will be C, there is no such standard practice. Question 29. What actions should be taken immediately after fire has been extinguished? Option A, they are liable to spontaneous combustion. Option B, they are not a hazard. Option C, they are not a hazard unless ignited. Option D, they generate their own oxygen when ignited and difficult to extinguish. Answer will be A, they are liable to spontaneous combustion. Question 30. Dry chemical powder extinguishes fire by option A, smothering. Option B, starvation. Option C, cooling. And option D, inhibition. So answer will be D, inhibition. Thank you for watching this video.